The Constitution of India, preamble. We, the people of India, having sovereign India into a sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship,
expression, belief, faith, and worship,
equality of status and of opportunity,
equality of status,
and to promote among them all
and to promote among them
fraternity, assuring
fraternity,
the dignity of the individual
the unity of the individual,
and the unity and integrity of the nation.
the unity of
In our Constituent Assembly,
our Constituent Assembly,
this 26th day of November 1949,
this 26th day of November 19,
do hereby adopt,
do hereby adopt,
enact, and give to
elect and give to
ourselves this Constitution.
ourselves.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.